Alright, here's a short video about a custom action which I created to perform 3 actions. Zoom the MIDI items to the screen, quantize them, and then humanize them. Separately, they look like this. Zoom, quantize to grid, humanize, and just to speed it up, I've created and it does it all in one. And then it's done. So that looks like in our custom actions list, we make sure that we're in the MIDI editor section. What I've done is I've called it Quanthumanize, and it looks like this. If we edit the custom action, say view zoom to content. So if you select from this filter here, view zoom to content, and then you drag that over like that. View zoom to content, edit select all notes, quantize notes position to grid, humanize notes, consolidate undo points, show in actions menu, and there it is. And then you choose what key command you want to assign to the custom action. I've chosen K, and so there it is. Quanthumanize. All done.